SSD replacement on Lenovo IdeaPad S145-14IWL laptop. Thank you, Sir Tiny, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional shop for SSD replacement is a wise choice to enhance its performance, reliability, and overall functionality. Upgrading to a solid-state drive SSD significantly improves your laptop speed by providing faster boot times, quicker application launches, and seamless file transfers compared to traditional hard drives. A professional service ensures that the replacement SSD is fully compatible with your laptop and installed correctly, minimizing the risk of errors or data loss during the process. Technicians also handle the delicate task of transferring your data from the old drive to the new one, ensuring your files, applications, and operating system are preserved and functional after the upgrade. SSD replacement done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.